Sa aking paboritong mahal, ito na ang araw na pinakahihintayin natin. Nagsimula lang tayo sa salitang "Hi kabayan" hanggang sa napanindigan ang "I date the man." Totoo nga, God moves in mysterious ways. Ginawa niyang posible ang imposible, lalo na nung nagsimula na tayo mag-date. God paved way for our relationship to work. Siguro, it was also God who helped me to get a 2 thumbs up approval from Mama Helen, kahit di niya pa ako lubusang kilala sa personal. From that moment, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko sasayangin yung pagkakataon na binigay sa akin. Ikaw ang aking favorite love, best friend, soulmate, at love of my life. God knows na sobrang grateful ko for having you, and I also thank you for choosing to love me kahit sa pagkakataon na ang hirap-hirap kong intindihin at mahalin. I promise to give you the best version of me every day. If things get rough, I will stick by your side no matter what happens. We will face challenges along the way because we are a team. I will always support you to the things you love to do because I know you are happy doing it. Hindi ako magsasawang pakinggan yung mga hinaing mo sa araw-araw. Palagi ko sa ipapaalala kung gaano kakaganda araw-araw. Pinapangako ko sa iyo na kailanman ay hindi kita pagbubuhatan ng kamay at sasaktan. Aalagaan kita gaya ng pag-aalaga sa iyo ng magulang, kaibigan at kapatid mo. Kung magkakaroon ng pangalawang pagkakataon para pumili ng makakasama, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin at makakasama sa araw-araw hanggat tayo ay tumanda. Palagi kong hahanapin ang iyong ganda at kabutihan ko kahit saan man ako mapagtapad. Sabi nga sa kanta, paninindigan kita, sasamahan ka kahit napapalibutan ng mga problema. Sa hirap at ginhawa, dadamayan kita. Padangatan ka ka, ngunyan sa aga, asin sa grupo.
Mark Justin, love, my about-to-be husband in a minute. Years before you came into my life, my parents and I constantly prayed and asked God that the man whom I would love would be good, yung kaloob niya para sa akin, someone who won't hurt me and make me cry, someone who would respect me, who would appreciate me and love me unconditionally. Yung mahal ako, ang family ko at higit sa lahat si Lord. I knew in my heart, my prayer will be answered. And indeed, it was. You are my answered prayer. I did not know that I could be loved the way you love me. You are more than what I asked for. You were not just kind to me, but you were so kind to everyone around you, especially your family. If ganun ka na nga sa family mo, how much more sa magiging family natin? Finally, I found my place, my contentment, my peace. Through you, God showed me that I can be taken care of, loved, heard, and understood. For all the struggles I have gone through in my life, ikaw pala ang finish line ko. Na lahat pala ng pinagdaanan ko is just God preparing me to meet you. Ngayon, di na ako mag-isa. Right beside you is where I always want to be. With you, I'm not afraid. With you, it doesn't matter where we are. I am always home. I vow to encourage you to follow your dreams. I vow to continue to challenge you to be the best version of yourself. I promise to make you laugh when you're taking life too seriously. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to put you first and never lose our spark. Our journey as a family has only just begun, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Love, you are the person I choose to spend forever with as my true soulmate. I choose you in 2022. I choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. I love you.
Oh my God, you're shining.
Left. Right.
Okay ka pa ba? Okay ka pa ba?
We met in 2022 in a dating app called Bumble. I swiped right after seeing his photos. Actually, I was in that app not to date, but just to meet new friends because it's also for that. And nakita ko siya. It was impossible. Hindi ko ina-expect na makaka-match ko siya kasi kung baga nasa Christchurch siya, tapos ako nasa Auckland, usually in that app, it's only within range. For some reason, nag-appear siya sa choices ko, and luckily, I swipe right. Anyway, to cut the story short, I swipe right kasi very catchy talaga yung motto niya. In an app like that, you wouldn't expect someone posting na ang motto is, spread kindness. So, talagang na-curious ako, and his photos were very interesting. It felt like he's adventurous. He's got a family photo in that app. So, it's very interesting talaga. So, I swipe right and dun kami nagsimula. So, in that app, yung girl muna yung magbe-message siya guys so that makapag-message siya sa akin. So, ang message ko lang sa kanya ay, Hiya! And ang reply niya ay, Hello, kabayan! And that's where it started. So, from there, naging friends kami, chat-chat. Akala ko nga kinakatfish lang ako, so I don't trust people. So, matagal-tagal din kami nag-chat, and then inad niya ako sa social media. Then from there, we got to know each other, kwentu-kwentuhan. And then, after namin makilala yung bawat isa, saka kami nag-meet. And then, parang dalagang Pilipina ako noon. Yeah. Yeah, so, nag-date kami, pinagpaalam niya ako sa yung kasama ko sa house, ng mga kuya at ate ko, may dala siyang puto. Talagang very, ano ba, parang old tradition. Pinagpaalam niya ako, hinatid niya ako, and we dated for a day. The whole day, oh my gosh. Kumain kami, namasyal, and then we ended the day with attending the mass, which is very sweet. Isa yun sa mga signs na hiningi ko. So, when I met him, I was doubtful kasi hindi talaga, parang di pa ako ready. Feeling ko nga di na ako mag-aasawa eh. Napag-iwanan na, char. But anyway, when I met him, it just felt so calm. And so, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Parang yung feeling na nakilala ko na siya ng matagal sa first day ng meeting namin. And it was also rainy like this, like foggy, but yun parang binabagyo yung araw na yun. And I said, ayoko na makipag-date kasi I don't want going out na rainy. But then, sabi ko, Lord, kung talagang plan mo to, stop the rain, sige, tutuloy ko to. And then the rain stopped. Then, yeah, another sign na hiningi ko nung araw na yun is, sabi ko, pag inas ako ng guy na to na mag-church kasi it was a Sunday, sabi ko, may second date pa to. And luckily, he did. So, doon nagsimula yung story namin. Sorry, ang haba. You just felt it. Pwede ba yun? Ngayon, masasabi ko na tama pala yung mama, papa, mga matatanda na pag siya na mapipil mo siya. Yeah, it just felt right. Like, never ko siyang na-feel ever sa mga nakilala ko dati. With him, I just feel like I'm home. So, yun. I cannot explain more. It's just no words. Alam kong siya na. He is very... Ma-describe lang ni Ibita. He's very genuine. He's loving. And talagang totoo yung motto niya na spread kindness kasi he's a very kind person. Mas inuuna niya pa yung ibang tao bago yung sarili niya. And when he loves, he gives more than what's expected. Like, talagang ano siya, like, even words can't describe it. Sobrang ano niya lang po talaga, mapagmahal sa pamilya, sa friends, and he's very positive. So I think with that, dahil doon sa characteristics niyang yun, I feel na napaka-faithful niya, loyal. Nabablanko na po. Looking back, I love, worth it ang pagbubutsi natin. Here we are. Finally, kakasal na tayo. Lahat ng paghihirap natin this year, makikita na natin siya. Bakit ako naiiyak? Looking back, looking back, uulit-ulitin ko yung araw na nagkakilala tayo. No regrets. I'm just very blessed na nakilala kita. You changed my life. I want to be a better person dahil sa'yo. And I can't wait na maging Mrs. Soto na.
Voltaire,
Thanks.
Gilbert, Frank Paul, JC, Gerald, Kyle, Windel, Gwen, Gab. Oh!
Wow! Shot puno!
Actually, nag-meet lang kami, like, in an unusual way, or probably in a millennial way. Dating app, Bumble. Yeah. So up kasi na yun, it's yung girl yung unang mag-chat. Kahit na nag-match kami, siya pa rin ang well, actually, it's weird because kung sa Pilipinas, nasa Luzon siya, ako nasa Mindanao. So, there's no way na yung range niya abot yung range ko by that time. So, I don't know, probably, sabi ko nga, God works in mysterious way. So, talagang pinagtagpo kami. Niligawan, first date namin talaga, sabihin ko late ako. Pero, bumawi ako kasi it's more of, pinadala ko siya puto. Tapos, talagang all throughout the entire day, kami lang ang magkasama. To finish it all, talagang nagsimba. Inaya ko siya magsimba. So, kasi yun mahalaga sa akin. Both of us are close to God. 2 years pa lang kami. Yeah. Pero, we've been through a lot of things. Siguro, like, thousands of hours together. So, yun. Talagang, we get so close to each other. Siya na kasi, feeling ko talagang hindi ko kaya mabuhay nang wala siya. Like, siya yung nahanap ko kahit saan mapunta, talagang naalala ko siya or naisip ko siya. Yung care niya sa akin at sa family niya and family ko, talagang ang galing. Like, kasi ganun yun ang gusto ko eh. Like, she loves her family. That means mamahalin niya yung magiging pamilya na. Doon talaga ako. Struggle is always probably communication, I would say. Kasi we're on a different, on our previous relationship, we've been through a lot. So, marami kami pinagdaanan. At yung communication yung naging barrier. Kasi I'm not really a communicative guy. And sa kanya, nahihirapan siya sa ganung part. So, she trained me well. At talagang hanggang ngayon, nag-i-improve pa rin ako doon. At talagang ini-improve ko yung sarili ko kasi yun lang yung magiging susi namin para mas maging matatag. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. I would say she's a happy person. Like, whenever she's around or with her friends, like, makikita mo, ang gaan niya kausap, ang saya niya kausap. Like, it lightens up the mood. Especially, maganda pa, di ba? So, saan ka pa? Talagang nakakagaan na. Like, sarap niya kausap. usap, bonding, everything. Hey love, we're already here. Ito na yung pinaghirapan natin. Alam ko, we struggle and we face so many challenges, pero nandito na tayo. Kaya natin. I love you.
This is my mom. She died 2 years ago. Pwede magkwento. My mom never liked anyone na pinakilala ko sa kanya. But on the night before she passed, she gave me the approval na happy siya kay Justin. Kahit di pa po sila nag-meet. Just talking on video calls, sobrang na-shock po ako na nagustuhan siya ni Mama. Kahit intubated na siya, she gave me 2 thumbs up to let me know na she's happy. So, that gives me a feeling of relief na happy siya in heaven, na I'm with the right person. So, Mama, today is the day I say I do. Please walk with me today as I marry the man I love. I miss you so much. Love you forever.
Ako naglalagay kasi oh, may control.
More.
Oh shit.
So good.
Don't cry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gosh, I check it. Hi, love. I know you're struggling using your old phone. Yeah. And hopefully you enjoy my gift so we can take more selfie together and also answer my calls. Oh, thank you.
Deserve na deserve.
Ready na kayo?
Yes.
Special!
Wow!
Thank you, love. So alam niyo na ba't di ako nakaka-text sa inyo?
Ano kaya yan?
May parating.
Ano kaya yan?
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Thank you. Yes.
Wow.
Hi, love. Hope you like this gift. Can't wait to travel and make more memories with you. See you in a bit. Love, Mrs. Soto.
Oh, yee! Ah.
Thank you, love. Makaka-text na ako sa'yo. Ulit. Wait.
Nalaway siya.
I love you. Thank you, love. I love you. Hey!
Anak, salamat at dumating ka na sa puto na to na ikaw ay papasok sa pamilyang alam ko kaya mo to, alam ko ang kakayahan mo, kaya good luck, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Love you.
Alam ko, kaya mo na yan, na subukan namin yung galaw nyo. Alam ko, kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Thank you kasi puno ng pagmamahal, puno ng respect. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Salamat, anak. Mahal na mahal ka rin namin.
Be, iyon na ni. Ang kaganapan kang pangarap mo.
Sa akin ka tumingin pa.
Happy si Mama.
Oh,
Big-chat ka na. Sana maging happy ka, maging successful ang married life mo. And I hope na magkaanak ka agad kayo.
Pressure.
Para pagpunta ko doon ay may alaga-anak.
Kung andito daw si Mami, ano daw kaya ang message?
For sure, masabi yun, happy ako nak sa iyo. Kaya kasal ka mo. Sana maging maog makakidjas.
Same as sa sinabi ni Papa, sana maging happy kami. Sabihin mo ha, kapag ano.
I'm always happy.
Well, we're always here. Thank you. Love you.
Ah! Ang makeup mo. Eh! Hi, Kuya Justin. Hi, Ate Gracie. Congratulations.
I'm from Italy. I wish you both all the happiness and good luck on its future. So, God bless.
Love. Huwag ka iyak.
Ganda mo. Thank you po sa araw na ito. Natuloy na rin po ang aming mga pinaplano. Hindi pa namin ito magagawa. Wala ang iyong tulong. Gabayan niyo po kami. At sana po maging masaya at maayos ang lahat. In Jesus' name, Amen.
Finally.
Finally.
Naiyak na ako.